Okay, sir.
What we are witnessing is the pilot doing countless hours of contribution on the break of the movement by the first special forces command. The early forces is commanded into Nigerian Armor Corps in the year 2020. It is a former built tank with one. These are not mere security threats, they are existential ones. And let it be said plainly, these evils do not discriminate by tribe or color. They destroy churches and mosques alike. They attack children without asking why they worship. Therefore, our response must be united, calm, and uncompromising. To the officers and soldiers of the Nigerian Army, I say this with clarity. The time to rise is now. You have my full authorization and the trust of the Nigerian people to confront and defeat those who seek to undermine our nation.
To understand that our development activities are designed to protect, defend, and not oppress. Consequently, in line with our Commander-in-Chief's directive on duty service involves self-identity with faith in community. Commanders in the field must remain relentless in executing well-coordinated offensive while maintaining effective measures for force protection.